Michelle here from Strawberry, and today I'm unboxing another Samaritan's Purse Operation Christmas Child shoebox. This one is for a girl ages 5 to 9, and it has shoes in it, so I did write down the shoe size here. It says shoes US size 2 because that might be a little bit on the smaller side for some of the 5 to 9-year-old girls, but I know that a lot of girls in other countries don't have as big of feet as we do here in the States, so hopefully that will help out whoever's passing out the box. Open up the box and there's a lot of sparkle. So the first thing is this little teddy bear, and he's got stars and sparkles on him, and he is wearing a hair bow that is just as big as him, and it's purple and sparkling. Then there is a composition book that has planets and stars and things on it that I thought was just really cute and purpley. And then one of the wow items also is this pair of shoes. I mean, aren't these adorable? I would not mind wearing a pair of shoes like this if they came in my size. These are so cute. All right, so inside the shoes, because I've stuffed them full because we don't want to send air in our shoe boxes, we have a ribbon and a dress. Oh, upside down. So here's the dress. It's a little peasant dress. It's got ruffles and it's got little sleeves. It's got a pocket. The print is actually Easter eggs, and this year my goal was, and I did not meet my goal, but my goal was to try to make a dress every month. And so I made this dress during April, during Easter. And then this tie, you could tie it around your waist, you could tie it around your hair. She can use this tie however she thinks would work best for her. But wait, there's more. There is a little craft kit. And so in here, there's just like foam, self-adhesive things and some ribbons and stuff. Just some cutesy little artsy things. Okay, the other shoe. And they do have laces. They also have zippers on the side that help me get some things in. We have a box of crayons. We have an inflatable flying disc. We have a purple cross necklace. There's a pair of socks. Gotta have some socks when you're wearing your tennis shoes. There's a little bag, and inside this bag, there's a bunch of stuff. So there's some nail clippers and some nail files and some blue barrettes to go with her dress. There are some ponytail holders. There's this necklace. I had some ladies come over and we made necklaces together, and this one has like little fleur-de-lis on it, and it's blue. And then this bracelet, and it says she believed she could, so she did. And there's a little sewing mending kit. There's one of my bags of beads that has elastic cording, and it also has embroidery floss, so she can make her own things with these. That shoe is empty now. She has a full-size pair of scissors for crafting. She has this cute little doll, and the doll is in the packaging because the packaging opens up and it creates different buildings, and it's just part of the gift because it's got the little building to put the doll in to play in. She has a pencil bag that has some stickers and some glue sticks and some post-it notes and some big pink eraser, a little eraser, pencil sharpener, a glue stick. She's got a toothbrush. Ah, I remember now. I was like, why aren't there pencils in there? The pencils were in the box because it needed something to fill up a little space. So she's also got blue pen, a red pen, a highlighter, some cap erasers. She has a little booklet of plain blank drawing paper that I made her. And she has a comb. Oh, and I think I skipped this. She also has a beach ball. So I hope that the girl that receives this box will really enjoy it, and that this box will let her know how loved she is by God, and help her to come to know Jesus. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a super awesome day. Toodles!